I'm Shannon Ogden with your Denver 7 update. There are 64 counties in Colorado. Coronavirus has now been reported in 50 of them. 2,966 cases in all today, roughly half in the Denver metro. 69 people have died statewide. And this graphic's not going to make you feel much better. At 339 cases, today was our single worst day yet. And the governor has stressed that social distancing does appear to be helping, but it's going to take time to show up in the data. Well, public opinion appears to be shifting on masks. After months of hearing from experts on how we don't need to wear them, we are now seeing guidance that might not be such a bad idea. Well, Contact 7 investigator Jennifer Kovaleski is going 360 for you on what has changed, what you should do, and why there's still no need to stockpile.
As restrictions grow and coronavirus continues to spread, more people are taking their health into their own hands. Those who aren't sick are making masks a part of their attire for trips to the store.
This one is my favorite one.
One of our photographers, Leah Schwartz, is one of those now choosing to wear a mask in public.
I don't want to get sick, and I'm really worried about it.
For her, it's about safety.
It's just more of a safeguard, and I do feel like the general public should do more.
Schwartz says her decision to wear a mask has been met with backlash.
I was bullied and harassed by an individual who followed me home from the gas station. I just wish people would be a little bit more sympathetic and understanding.
This is like my one daily walk. I leave with gloves and I have one surgical mask that I'm reusing.
Katya lives in Denver and is immune compromised. She too feels the anger from strangers.
Oh, coronavirus is gonna get ya. Or, that's a very fashionable mask you have on. But I don't need to explain my medical history.
Katya wears a surgical mask under this hiking buff every time she goes in public.
I mean, if everyone was wearing a mask, that might even reduce the transmission rate.
During the early days of the coronavirus pandemic, experts warned against widespread use of face masks. The U.S. Surgeon General tweeted in February, "Stop buying masks. They are not effective in preventing general public from catching coronavirus." But as the outbreak gets worse, that opinion is starting to change. The CDC, once resistant to encouraging public use of masks, is now reportedly considering it.
There is some rationale that the person in the street who may not know they're infected could actually prevent the spread to other people.
But the country's top infectious disease expert, Dr. Anthony Fauci, says we have to make sure healthcare workers get them first, which is where homemade ones could come into play.
When we get in a situation where we have enough masks, I believe there will be some very serious consideration about more broadening this recommendation of using masks.
Even the president on Monday entertained the idea.
We're not going to be wearing masks forever, but it could be for a short period of time.
Critics of universal mask wearing argue most people don't wear them right, or could lead to more face touching. Proponents counter that microbes caught in someone's mask would have otherwise been inhaled.
Public standpoint, is there any harm or any potential that would be helpful? Maybe.
Dr. Michelle Barron is the Director of Infection Prevention and Control at UC Health. Should the general public wear masks when they're going out to the grocery store?
It goes both ways, right? There's no benefit, there's no data that shows wearing a mask to the grocery store protects you either. And I really do worry that for most people, it does give you a false sense of security that, oh, I'm wearing a mask, but I don't have to worry about hanging out with my neighbors.
The current federal guidance against wearing masks is also at odds with other parts of the world.
Ich bin mir bewusst.
Austria's chancellor made wearing masks in supermarkets mandatory this week, while this town in Germany became the first to mandate everyone, yes, every single person, cover their nose and mouth while in public. I'm Contact 7 investigator Jennifer Kovaleski.
Thank you very much for watching this Denver 7 update. Make sure to download the Denver 7 app for your smartphone to get breaking news and alerts around the clock. I'm Shannon Ogden.